Dr. E or Dr. Shauna Ishans here again, talking about what you can expect with NET. So it depends on the patient and the practitioner, but what you can expect is about a 30 to 60 minute appointment. And in that time, you may find you have one release, you may find you have up to 6 releases, depending on how long each one takes. Another thing you can expect is instant results. I like fast and effective treatments, and that's why I love Neuro-Emotional Technique so much, because people see instant results. The second they sit up, I've often heard people say, I feel lighter. I feel like this weight has been lifted off of my chest or my shoulders, or I feel this heat coming out of my ears or through my head. It's releasing this stuck energy, which may sound bizarre, but I hear it repeatedly. And another thing is, even though there's instant results, people may notice an even more cumulative effect and more drastic effect with a series of treatments. I'll share some stories with you that have been really neat to observe, and every time people get NET, I'm blown away, but these are just some favorite stories. So there was a patient who was really struggling with body image, and she had a job that it was important to have a positive body image, which we could say about every job, but hers in particular. And she said she had such an issue even walking by mirrors. She didn't want to look at herself or see what was in that mirror. And literally the next day after her NET treatment, where we focused on that issue, she sent me pictures of herself in different clothing that she was trying on and said, I'm so excited because this is the first time ever that not only have I been excited to try on clothes, but I was able to look in the mirror and not hate how I looked. So that was really neat. Another patient, he came because he was having severe and chronic insomnia. And then another thing we talked about and worked with is he has not been in a relationship for many years. And even though he has a lot to offer and there's a part of him that wants to be in a relationship, there's a bigger part of him that is really scared and fearful of that commitment and that relationship and getting hurt. And we worked on, we did some NET together, and the next week he came back and said, not only have I been sleeping through the night without any melatonin or any other supplements or medications, but I signed up for a dating site and I've been on multiple dates and I'm excited, I'm not scared. Another great story, there's been multiple with this, but chronic pain, believe it or not, Neuro-Emotional Technique, even though it says emotional in there, it can be great for physical issues, including pain. I've seen people with chronic TMJ or grinding or clenching have great results. I've seen people with chronic shoulder pain that they've tried everything. Hip pain, back pain. It really doesn't matter where, but if there is an emotional component, then people can really see great results, even though they may have been getting physical treatments, including massage, chiropractic, acupuncture. Those are all great and can really help, but if people aren't progressing fast enough or long enough, there may be an emotional connection. So if you are ready to thrive versus just survive, give NET or Neuro-Emotional Technique a try.